In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate combinations and permutations using StatCrunch. In section 4.4, you'll be working with permutations and combinations, so I've selected a problem from our textbook. Corporate officers and committees. The digital pet rock company was recently successfully funded via Kickstarter and now must appoint a president, chief executive officer, chief operating officer, and chief financial officer. It must also appoint a strategic planning committee with 4 different members. There are 10 qualified candidates, and officers can also serve on the committee. The first part of the question asks us how many different ways can the 4 officers be appointed? So the officers, the first one we pick, let's say, will be the president, and the second one would be the CEO and so forth. So this is going to be a permutation because the order matters. So in StatCrunch, if I go to data and I go to compute and I want to compute an expression. And in my window here for expression, I'm going to click on build, and I have a lot of built-in functions in StatCrunch for the expression. I'm going to scroll down until I find PERM, which stands for permutation. And once I find that, I'm going to click on it and add it to the function. And on the left side of the comma there in the expression window, I'm going to put in the number of items I have to select from. And on the right side of the comma, I'm going to put in how many items I want to select. And in this case, I want to select 4 officers. And then I simply hit OK, and then I hit compute. And it's going to put the answer into a cell in my spreadsheet. In this case, it's 5,040 permutations of the way the 4 officers could be appointed. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the committees. Now the committee is going to be a combination because it doesn't matter the order in which I select the people to be in the committee. So we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to go to data, we're going to go to compute, expression, and this time we're looking for combination. So I scroll down until I see combination, which is right here. I'm going to add that function, and the same thing I did before, I'm going to have to the left side of the comma the number of items I'm selecting from, and to the right side of the number of items I'm going to select. And I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm going to hit compute. And remember, there's always going to be less combinations than permutations, and in this case, I see it's 210.